Water is a transparent, odorless, colorless, insipid liquid that is the single most important resource on Earth. This resource constitutes all oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, and streams on the planet. Living things need water to survive. Plants need water to grow and make food. Some living beings, like fish, even live in water. Water is important for humans. Our body consists of 2/3 water, which helps carry important nutrients and organic material to different body parts. Our bodies also use water to regulate their temperature. Water is used for many different things, from farming to producing electricity in dams, transportation in the oceans and rivers, and even for cleaning, making beverages, and having fun. We call Earth the blue planet because 75% of its surface is covered in water. There are two types of water: salt water, which is commonly found in oceans and cannot be ingested by living beings, and fresh water, which is commonly found in rivers, lakes, clouds, and glaciers, and can be ingested by living beings. Earth has a limited water supply that is constantly reused and moved around the water cycle as it changes physical states. Liquid water becomes water vapor after being heated up by sun rays in a process called evaporation. As water vapor rises, it begins to cool down, forming small water droplets that group together to form clouds in a process called condensation. When water in clouds gets too heavy, it falls down to Earth in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail in a process called precipitation. Water will then flow through rivers and streams back to the ocean, restarting the water cycle. Weather corresponds to the atmospheric conditions in a given place and time. The atmosphere is the air surrounding Earth. It contains the vital substance called oxygen, amongst other gases. Earth is able to hold on to an atmosphere with the aid of its gravitational field. This atmosphere gives rise to the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure varies at different heights and locations. The atmosphere also contains water in the form of clouds. There are many different kinds of clouds, including fog clouds, stratus clouds, cirrus clouds, and cumulus clouds. There are special tools that help us predict and measure the weather. Anemometer measures wind speed. Barometer measures air pressure. Hygrometer measures the amount of water in the air. Thermometer measures temperature. Wind vane measures wind direction. Rain gauge measures the amount of rainfall. With the aid of these tools and satellites, we can tell how the weather will behave in different regions, including cities and rural areas. This can be very helpful as we can take the proper precautions like carrying umbrellas or wearing warm clothing. Predicting the weather can also help save lives, as we are able to warn people from storms, thunders, hurricanes, tornadoes, and blizzards. Global warming and pollution are leading to rapid and large-scale alterations to Earth's weather patterns, resulting in more unpredictable and violent atmospheric events. This is why we have to make an emphasis on the responsible consumption of resources,